Mr. Ntanzi Bongani committed the murder of Senzo Meyiwa together with Muzi Sibiya. Did you have a conversation with your brother, any of your brothers, that told you that Mr. Bongani Ntanzi committed the murder of Senzo Meyiwa in forceful arrest together with Muzi Sibiya?
Kulesi statement sikaZungu esisho kuthiwa ke umfweni loyo omunye uNtanzi loyo wakutshela ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi wenza leli cala lokubulawa ekanye nalabo abalandelayo.
Mr. Ntanzi and Muzi Sibiya.
No Muzi Sibiya.
Yes.
Uke waba nayo ingxoxo njengaleyo nomunye wabafweni?
Cha, angiyazi.
No, not aware of that.
And the Muzi Sibiya that is referred to, your other brother told you that Muzi Sibiya is from KwaNongoma. Were you told that?
And kuthiwa ke kulesi statement uMuzi Sibiya lena owawutshelwa ngaye utshelwa ngumfweni lo muntu uMuzi Sibiya naye uvela KwaNongoma. Ke watshelwa into njengale?
Hayi, angimazi.
No, I do not know him.
No.
And Mr. Ntanzi, just for completeness sake, this statement was made on the 19th of November 2019. Sorry? 1719.
This statement again.
Sorry, 17 November 2019. I missed up the date. Thanks, Prajosh.
Mhlambe kukwazisa nje ukuthi lesi statement ke senziwa noma sathathwa ngomhla zing-17 kuNovember onyakeni ka-2019.
Yes. Now, at that time, did you have any knowledge, information in regard to the people that were involved in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa?
Ngaleso sikhathi kushona umhla ka-17 November 2019. Wawunalo yini ulwazi thize ngabantu ababethinteka ababenesandla ekubulaweni kuka Senzo Meyiwa?
Cha, angibazi.
No, I do not know them.
Did you at any time know a Muzi Sibiya that was from KwaNongoma?
Kodwa ngaleso sikhathi ke wawumazi yini uMuzi Sibiya ovela KwaNongoma?
Cha, angimazi.
No, I do not know him.
Okay. Now, having read the statement of Mr. Absalom Ntatezi Zungu to you, I'd like to be fair to you, and I'm doing this so that when you leave here, you and Absalom Zungu are not going to have a fight because certain allegations were made in his statement that implicate your name.
Sengikufundela ke istatement ke sikaZungu esenziwe uZungu. Ngithanda ukuthi ngilungise izinto zibe kahle. Ukuthi uma usuka lana ungabe umuntu ke ozosuka ngasazwani noZungu ngoba esho ekhuluma izinto ezithize ezifaka igama lakho. Uyangizwa?
Yebo, ngiyezwa.